In a somber development, the bodies of the two young individuals reported missing since September 20th, 2023 were discovered separately, one on the evening of October 3rd and the other on the morning of 4th October. Phiban Kantiu Sun, 18 years of age, a young woman, was initially spotted by local fishermen on the 2nd of October and subsequently retrieved from a river in Marbisu on the 3rd of October 2023. Her remains were promptly transported to the Shillong Civil Hospital on the night of October 3rd. Meanwhile, on Wednesday morning, several hours after the discovery of Sun's body, the remains of the young boy Wanbok Langkurba, 20 years of age, were found in close proximity to the initial discovery site. Sun, a resident of Marbisu Umle village, and Kurba from Trau village were both students at the St. Paul's Higher Secondary School in Marbisu.
Kakak tu ke jingwan joki ke marbeli ke ini di contain ini tikiwan naga women's wing jongga polisi kenang ba ngapit ika bakilap kita kata ke saiwan report buat ke report jo postmortem ke sawana din dia mentang melak men ong ini ngira be sejaga thang
ya thang kenyang mereka betul
mesti ba ong mengi kuat kulatnya belum ni ada pile ya ikan thai pilih lang isilbang kata gandan ga charger ko biang ke kalau melong ba kanum no siliang dari pilih lang ikan thai pim pelak isilbang kata long no siliang kata dari bang isios no mana dari mana ndang langsung tu sya ni kulit bagi ong ba hable lang tingi ruman si naga liang kai ye hi il ong be mat ya sakmat ke ke ba gide ban dia kulit nomor ba na do sini kong ke ba ngil IT kum kai ye no ngil IT kulit kenang ba kandan ke je tre ke ba bahar bajan wan kulit tengi ngin ong to pemanyak sakmat kita ka jang le pusmatan ikan kuat syu kata ban la exception